What's up guys, I'm back again today with another knife video, and this time it's another locally made knife by a guy named Taufik, and his Instagram account is SGKNIVES. And here you are. It's a handmade knife without any CNC. He does use a lathe obviously and milling machine and such, and they're all manual. Quite impressive, well built, and action is really smooth. As you guys can see right now, this knife is it's called a KERIS. Okay, a lot of people think KERIS have to be, you know, curved and such, but not really. But I'm not a KERIS expert. Indonesia's KERIS do come with straight blade like this, a dagger like. I'll give you guys the spec real quick. The overall length of this knife is 19.5 centimeters. You guys do the conversion yourself, please. And the close length of this knife is 11 centimeters. The blade length is 8 centimeters. Considerably quite light. Okay, it's only 85 gram. The blade, it's obviously satin finish, manually rubbed, and this is K110 blade steel. And obviously this is carbon fiber, and the titanium frame lock. Side pocket clip is also manually machined, and it's also titanium. Even the hardware itself, the pivot and the standoff for the space. Excuse that. And he created his own pivot. He created his own ball bearing pivot. Impressive. And the build quality of this knife right here is quite good. Okay, a lot of improvement from his previous ones. I own a couple of them. To be honest, if for those of you guys who care about blade centering, this knife is perfectly centered, quite impressive. You do see a bit of imperfection from his manual, from his machining, which is actually quite interesting and actually adds character to the knife, in my opinion. It basically it's telling you that this knife was made manually, not by a factory production. Okay, and the action is really smooth, like I said, which is quite impressive considering that the blade is actually quite light. And it's I guess it has to do with physics, the pivoting angle, etc. But blade weight actually does aid to the flipping action of a flipping knife. Okay, I cannot show you guys how smooth the blade drops, but it's quite smooth because I'm trying to get a close-up footage of this knife for you guys. A quick comparison to other knives that people are familiar with. This is the Sabensa, small Sabensa. This have been quite extensively used in my pocket, and lengthwise, that's how it is. Try to get this focus. Okay, that's its size comparison with Sabensa. This is a Boker Waken, I think. I forgot the name. All right, it's quite a cute little knife. I would wear this. I would actually carry this, except for the fact that obviously this part of the blade is not sharpened, but even though it's not sharpened, it's still quite could be quite sharp. Okay, might want to be careful with that one. Just in your pocket, might tear off some of your jeans or your pants. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the time. Click the like and subscribe button. God bless. Bye-bye.